So welcome students to Educrypt learning. Today we are going to discuss general test paper 3 of Common University Entrance Test 2024. So this paper is not mandatory, but this paper is important if you want to get admissions into topmost colleges of the nation. So this paper you have to appear if you want to get admissions into top universities. So we are going to discuss the PYQs of CUET 2024 paper 3. So let us come to the questions. What type of questions appeared in CUET 2024 and what is the weightage of general studies in CUET 2024. So let us come to the questions. So first question. From the given options, which pass connects Jammu with Srinagar? So this question has appeared from Indian geography portion, and geography is an important aspect of competitive examinations. So this answer is Banihal Pass. So Banihal Pass connects Jammu with Srinagar. In the map you can see this is Banihal Pass. So Banihal Pass connects Jammu with Srinagar. So you have to learn about the other passes. Okay, other passes in India. So there are different passes like Pir Pranjal passes, Burzila, Aghil Pass, Karakoram, Changla, Jozila, Khardungla, Tanglangla, Barachala Pass, Imis Pass, Chipkila Pass, and other passes over Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Himachal Pradesh. So you should know about the different major passes present in India. So this question has appeared from passes, mountain passes of India, and it is from Indian geography. Okay, so first question was from geography. Then let's come to the second question. Which of the following is not correctly matched regarding Padma Awards 2024? So Padma Awards. So what are Padma Awards? So Padma Awards are civilian awards, okay, given to citizens, those who have done very good work in particular field. So there are 3 Padma Awards. One is Padma Vibhushan, one is Padma Bhushan, and one is Padma Shri. So these awards are given on the Republic Day, on the day of Republic Day at Rashtrapati Bhavan. And this year, 2024, a total of 132 Padma Awards were given. And out of that, 5 were Padma Vibhushan, 17 were Padma Bhushan, and 110 were Padma Shri. Now let's come to the question. So over here, they have given match the following. Padma Vibhushan Award, Sri Konidela Chiranjeevi. So everyone is familiar with Chiranjeevi. Who is Chiranjeevi? He is Chiranjeevi. So Chiranjeevi is a famous South Indian actor. He is a politician. He has formed his own party in Andhra Pradesh, and everyone knows him. Okay, then next is given Padma Shri Award Mithun Chakraborty. So Mithun Chakraborty, everyone is familiar with Mithun Chakraborty. He is a great actor of Bollywood. He belongs to West Bengal. And next is Padma Bhushan Award M. Fatima Bibi. So M. Fatima Bibi is the first woman judge of Supreme Court. Okay, then next they have given Padma Bhushan Award Sitaram Jindal. So he is Sitaram Jindal, and he is a philanthropist. So if you want to know who is a philanthropist, a person who gives shares of his money for well-being of the people is known as a philanthropist. Okay, so what is the question? Is everything is match over here? No, because the second option, which of the following is not correct? So they are asking which is not correctly matched. So over here, Padma Shri Award Mithun Chakraborty, because Mithun Chakraborty has not got Padma Shri. Mithun Chakraborty has got Padma Bhushan. Mithun Chakraborty has got Padma Bhushan Award. He have not got Padma Shri. So this is the correct answer over here, because they are asking which is not correctly matched. Okay, so this is about Padma Awards 2024. This question came from the section awards given in our nation in a particular year. So it can be of different types. It can be of Padma Awards, or it can be of Bharat Ratna, or it can be of musical category, Sahitya Academy Award, or it can be of other international awards received by any Indian. So this award section is one of the important sections in competitive exams. So in CUET, this portion appeared from award section. So let's go to the next question. Over here, they're again giving match the following. So they're telling about some eminent persons of history or history. So they're telling about Visakha Datta, Kartikeya Sarabhai, Charaka, and Satyanendra Bose. So Visakha Datta. So Visakha Datta was a poet. Okay, Visakha Datta was a poet. He was poet at Gupta Empire. During the Gupta age, Visakha Datta was a court poet of Chandragupta II. So what is Visakha Datta? Visakha Datta is a poet. So let us check. A is 2. So over here A is 2, and over the option 2, A is 2 over here. So we can eliminate these two parts. We can eliminate 1 and 4 because we know that Visakha Datta is a poet. So next is Kartikeya Sarabhai. So Kartikeya Sarabhai is an environmentalist. Okay, Kartikeya Sarabhai is an environmentalist, and he was the son of Vikram Sarabhai. So you know Vikram Sarabhai, he is known as the father of India's space program. So he is famous, Kartikeya Sarabhai is famous for pioneering education in environmental science. And he has also recently written a book named Observing Nature in an Urban Forest. So he have written a book. What is the name of the book? Observing Nature in an Urban Forest. So option B is 3. So over here you can see option B is 3. So we have found the answer. This is the answer. Over here 2 option is the answer, because over here B is 1, it is not correct, and B is 3 is correct. So number C is 1. Charaka is an ancient scholar of Indian medicine, Ayurveda. So Charaka is medicine, and Satyendranath Bose is a mathematician. So we come to the conclusion that this second option is the correct answer. Okay, next move to the next question. The following states were formed after 1960. What was the correct sequence of their formation? So this question have appeared from the Saxon formation of states, means when Indian states have been formed. So different states have been formed at different period of time. So they are asking the chronology of the formation of states. Okay, so over here, Nagaland has been formed in 1963. Nagaland has been formed in 1963, and which is the first state that was formed in India. The first state is the bifurcation of Gujarat, Bombay presidency, that was Gujarat and Maharashtra. So Nagaland was formed in 1963, and Haryana is formed at 1966. The state of Haryana is formed at 1966, and the state of Sikkim has been formed in 1975. So Sikkim was before an protectorate state of India, and later it attained full statehood in 1975. Okay, so Sikkim was formed in 1975, and Goa have been formed in 1987. Okay, before Goa was an union territory, and later it obtained statehood in 1987. So from the years you can find out which is the first state. So first is Nagaland, that is option C. So you can see option C in 3 options. Okay, C in 3 options. Then second is option A, that is Haryana, that is 1966. So where you can find option A? Over here you can find option A. So this second option is the correct answer, because over here it is not totally match over option 1 and option 3. So we get the answer in number 2. And next is Sikkim, that is formed in where? 1975, and then Goa in 1987. Okay, and this questions is given on chronology on how states, when states of India have been formed. So this parts comes in Indian polity, and you should know about different states of India, their formations, their capitals, and their geographical locations, or any physical features of the states, important physical features of the states. So that are important topics. So this question appeared from Indian polity. So let's move to the next question. Out of the given options, which scheme's objective is to conduct an annual survey at the Gram Panchayat level to monitor the progress in the development process of rural areas? So what is the objective of this particular scheme? The objective of this particular scheme is to conduct an annual survey. They conduct an annual survey at which level? At Gram Panchayat level. At Gram Panchayat level to monitor the progress in development process of rural areas, means how the rural areas are developing. So it assesses, it makes a survey how the annual, how the Gram Panchayats are developing, how the rural areas are developing. So under which scheme there is a criteria to make a survey of the Gram Panchayat and monitor its progress. Okay. So this answer is Mission Antodaya. Okay, Mission Antodaya, and it comes under Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. So Mission Antodaya have the provision to make an annual survey at the Gram Panchayat level to monitor progress, okay, and development in rural areas. So this question have appeared from schemes of Government of India. So for appearing in CUET general test, you have to check the schemes of the Government of India. What are the different central sector schemes government have launched for the welfare of the people? You have to know that schemes, and these are also different schemes: Mission Karma Yogi, Mission Rashtriya Gokul, Mission Atmanirbhar Bharat, Rashtriya Gokul for cattle, okay, for preserving cattle and uplifting the dairy industry. Mission Karma Yogi is for the public servants working in Government of India, under Government of India. Or Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is for self-reliant India, for growing new startups or for developing the industrial sector in different sectors. Industrial sector, new startups. So this is Atmanirbhar Bharat. So this question appeared from schemes of Government of India in CUET 2024 general test. So next question is which one of the following countries is not a member of Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, also known as QUAD? So QUAD is a multilateral body. It is a multilateral body, and 4 countries are there. So they have given 4 countries over the option, but 1 country is wrong. So it's not a member. They are asking who is not a member. So quadrilateral security dialogue is to keep a check on Indo-Pacific region. This is the Indo-Pacific region. So it is giving a check on Indo-Pacific region, this multilateral body. So 4 countries are there. So 1 country is India. So India is over there. This is India. This is the correct option, that India is a member. Though they are asking which is not a member. So second, Australia. So Australia is also a member of QUAD. Then Japan is also a member of QUAD, and USA, United States of America, is also a member of QUAD. But over here, which country is not a member of QUAD? That is China. So correct answer will be China. So this question has appeared from multilateral groupings of India or bilateral groupings of India. So you have to know different groupings of India. So you have to check something about Indian foreign affairs. What are the different groupings India have done to get advantage in world politics? So this question have appeared from that section. Okay. So let's come to the next question. Who has become the first woman chairperson of the Railway Board of Indian Railways in 2003? So this question has appeared from appointment. So Government of India appoints people in their important bodies. So we have to know about different people who have been appointed. So, and this is a portion of current affairs. Okay, this portion also relates from current affairs. So this is the lady. This is the lady. Her name is Jaya Verma Sinha. So this question, who has become the first chairperson of Railway Board of Indian Railways? She is Jaya Verma, and this portion is from current affairs and especially from appointments. Okay, let's move to the next question. So again, we have come to a question of match the following. So they have given country and currencies. Okay, so they have given different currencies and name of countries. So let us check. Okay, so they have given the countries Myanmar, Russia, Malaysia, Bhutan. Okay, so we know that Russia currency is what? Russia's currency is ruble. Okay, B is 1. So check over here, B is 1. All the 5 options have given B is 1. Everyone knows about Russia, so B is 1. So ruble, Russia is ruble. And Myanmar, it is a neighboring country. It is a neighboring country of India. So what is the currency of Myanmar? Myanmar's currency is CUET. CUET. So see, in option 1 and 2, they have given 3. So we can omit these 2 options because these 2 options are automatically wrong. So out of these 2 options, 1 is correct. So next come to Malaysia. So the currency of Malaysia is ringgit. And the currency of Bhutan is Nageltram. So what is the correct option will be? C is 4. C is 4. So this option is correct. So number 2 option is the correct answer. So this is directly in the syllabus that currencies and countries in your CUET general test syllabus it was given. So it have come from countries and currencies. So this you before appearing for the exam, it is important that you check the currencies of our neighboring countries or the countries that have an important bilateral relationship of India or have a good diplomatic relation with India. So this is the topic. So this is the answer. Option number 2 is the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question again. Julaghat suspension bridge between India and which country has become fully operational now? So they are asking about border infrastructure. So this question has appeared from India's border and border infrastructure. And which country they have asked? India and Nepal. India. And which country fully operational? They have asking the country. Which country? So this question is, answer is Nepal. So this Julaghat suspension bridge is in Nepal, and it is our Kali River. This bridge is our Kali River. So this river is Kali River. So Kali River was in news. Kali River was in news previous year because you have heard that Nepal have given a map which have included different territories of India. So this was in news, and it was in news in 2023, 22, 21. So this news was from many previous years. This news was over there. So this bridge is our Kali River, and this bridge connects Sundar Pachim place of Nepal, okay, and Uttarakhand in India, okay. And this bridge has been made in 1877. Okay, this bridge has been made in 1877, and it has been built by the British. Okay, so this Julaghat suspension bridge is present over which state? It is present over Uttarakhand, and connects which province of Nepal? Sudur Pasim. Okay, and where in Uttarakhand? It is in Pittorgarh. It is in Pittorgarh in Uttarakhand. So this has come from current affairs. You can say this has come from current affairs, or this is from also border infrastructure between the neighboring countries of India. So the correct answer is Nepal. So let's come to the next question. So next is, who is the first para athlete to receive Padma Bhushan? So he's a para athlete, and he have received what? Padma Bhushan award in India. So what is his name? His name is Devendra Jhajaria. Devendra Jhajaria. And what sports he belong from? He is a javelin thrower. Okay, he is a javelin thrower, and he have got gold medal at 2004 Paralympics that was held in Athens. He also got a gold medal at 2016 Rio Games, and he has also obtained a silver medal at 2020 Tokyo Olympics. So he have received Padma Bhushan, and his name is Devendra Jhajaria. So one more name appeared here, Avani Lekhra. So She is a rifle shooter. Avni Lekra is a rifle shooter and she belongs from the state of Rajasthan. She also got a gold medal, okay, in Tokyo Paralympics in 2020. This question have come from sports personalities, okay. This question have come from sports personalities. So sports is also an important element of CUET general test paper 3. So let's move to the next question. 14. Jammu Glacier is located in which state of India? So they are asking about Jammu Glacier. So this question have again come from Indian geography portion. So Jammu Glacier is situated in Sikkim. So why this question appeared? So recently it was in news that there was a GLOF crisis, glacial lake outburst flood, and it has happened at Sikkim. So this glacial lake outburst floods has happened from Jammu Glacier. So this portion is from, this question also has come from current affairs because this was the news in 2024. So Sikkim is the state where Jammu Glacier belong, and which rivers comes from Jammu Glacier? It is the Tista River, okay. It is the Tista River that flows from Jammu Glacier, okay. And Tista River flows from the state of Sikkim and West Bengal. So you should know about you should have a good eye on current affairs before appearing these exams, and also the geography portion. So next question, who among the following is Chile's first woman president? So Chile's first woman president is Michelle Bachelet. So she is Michelle Bachelet. So Michelle Bachelet is the first woman president of Chile. So Chile is where? Chile is a country in South America, and she became the first woman president. And I have given here another image. Her name is Claudia Sheinbaum, and Claudia Sheinbaum is in news recently because she have become the first woman president of Mexico, and she is an environmentalist and she is a environmental activist, and this was in news recently. So this portion has also come from current affairs portion because Michelle Bachelet was in news in this year. So next question, which organization developed and launched Urgam indigenous assault rifle for armed forces? So which organization developed? So which organization is there to develop arms in India? So this question have come from Indian security, okay, and defense. So the answer is DRDO. DRDO. So DRDO is Defense Research and Development Organization of India. So it develops new weapons in India. Many new weapons have been developed in India, and this have been done by DRDO. And this Urgam indigenous assault rifle was also in news. So this question has also come from current affairs, okay. Which of the following substances is a bad conductor of electricity? So they have asked about bad conductor of electricity. So it is a very basic question. It has come from your school level like class 6, 7, 8. So everyone knows that gold is a good conductor of electricity, silver is a good conductor of electricity, graphite is also a good conductor of electricity. So what is a bad conductor of electricity? Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. So the correct answer over here is diamond. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following disease is caused due to deficiency of protein? So this is also a basic question of your school level. So deficiency of proteins cause the disease kwashiorkor. Okay, kwashiorkor is the disease. What happens over here? The patient got a distended abdomen. His abdomen gets distended. So this is a basic question that has come from your school standard. And kwashiorkor happens due to deficiency in proteins. Please comment in the comment why arthritis happen, for what deficiency, goiter or night blindness. Please try to comment this because this is something you have got in your schools. Next question is match the following. Again, we have got a question from India's defense, okay, and we have got this time the naval sector, Indian Navy and Indian naval stations or submarine stations. So INS Chilika. So by the name you can find out INS Chilika. So where is Chilika? Chilika is where? Chilika is in Orissa. Okay. So from the name Chilika you can find out that is in Orissa, number A4. So A4 option, there is 2 options, A4. Okay, 2 options, number 3 and 4 options, A4 is there. So out of these 2 options, the answer will be there. So next is INS Hansa. So INS Hansa is in Goa. B is 1. Our both option B is 1. We can find out from C. Over 1 there is C3 and over 1 there is C2. INS Satavahana. So INS Satavahana is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is in Andhra Pradesh. So the correct answer will be C2. So C is 2. Number 4 is the correct answer. So this question has appeared from India's naval bases present over the both coast of India, in the western coast or in the eastern coast, and INS Garuda, and INS Garuda is in Kerala. Okay, so this naval bases are also an important portion of CUET. You have to keep a check on India's naval bases or India's submarines or Indian naval ships or Indian naval exercises. The question may appear from any of the sections. Okay, so let's move to the next question. DRDO, again another question from DRDO. One question, Ugam assault rifle have appeared, and another question has appeared from DRDO. First successful flight test of Agni 5 missile. You know about Agni 5 missile. It is the India's most longest range missile in India, and it is equipped with MIRV technology. So what is MIRV technology? So MIRV technology is, they are asking the full form of MIRV technology. So what are the options they have given? Multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle, Mission India target re-entry vehicle, multiple independently technology re-entry vehicle, multiple indirect targetable re-entry vehicle. So the correct answer is multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle. So it is option number 3. So multiple independently technology re-entry vehicle, it is the full form of MIRV. So it is present in Agni 5. Okay, and this technology was before in Russia, USA, Japan, and this technology have arrived to India in Agni 5. So this is the Defense R&D organization, DRDO, and this is multiple. Here you can fire multiple, and it was under Mission Divya Astra, and this thing was under which mission? Mission Divya Astra, and it is India's Agni 5 is India's longest range missile till date. And MIRV technology. Okay, what is this technology? It is a technology which allows a single missile to carry multiple warheads. So you can see over here multiple warheads. So this missile can carry multiple warheads. So Agni 5 can carry multiple warheads, around 4 to 6 warheads, and it's capable of targeting different locations independently. And these warheads can target different locations independently. Okay, that is MIRV technology, and it is present over Agni 5. Okay, so this question has also come from India's defense and India's development of missiles and new technology India's defense is using. Okay, so this part is important for CUET General Test Paper 3. So next question, which India has won the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2003? So students from Assam should answer it correctly, because Ramon Magsaysay Award has been got by Assamese fellow, a person from Assam. He is Dr. Ravikanan R. So Dr. Ravikanan R is an oncologist. Oncologist is a person who cures cancer. Okay, and he is the director of Kasar Cancer Hospital and Research Center, Silchar. Okay, so Ravikanan R. So this question, this is in news. Okay, one thing, it is from awards, and it was also in news in 2023. Let's move to the next question. Who has been appointed the chairman of 16 Finance Commission? So this 16 Finance Commission was in news because do you know what is Finance Commission of India? So Finance Commission of India is the one which keeps the fiscal federalism, the sharing of taxes between the states, okay, between the states. So that is the Finance Commission. And who is the chairman over here? Dr. Arvind Panagaria. Dr. Arvind Panagaria is the chairman of 16 Finance Commission. And the Finance Commission comes in, this Finance Commission comes in Article 280 of the Constitution. It comes in Article 280 of the Constitution, and its function is to give recommendation on distribution of tax revenues between the union and the states and amongst the states themselves. And this Finance Commission is advisory in nature, and it is not binding on the government. So they can advise the government, but it is not binding on the government that the government will listen to their recommendations, but it is an advisory nature. So Finance Commission comes under Article 280 of the Constitution. So in CUET, you have in general test paper, you also have to check the different important commissions formed in India or constitutional bodies over India. And this was in news. This was also a current affairs, and also it is one of the important commission of India, and it is also, Finance Commission is also known as balancing wheel of fiscal federalism in India. So come to the next question, question number 23. Sri Ranganath Swami Temple. So they are asking about temple, Ranganath Swami Temple. The temples of South India are always in the exam, which is situated in Tamil Nadu. So this Ranganathan Swami's temple is situated at Tamil Nadu, and it is dedicated to which deity? This is the Ranganatha Swami temple, and it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Okay, so let's move to the next question. The Election Commission of India, ECI, and it is a constitutional body. Everyone knows the Election Commission of India is what? A constitutional body to conduct elections. Election Commission of India conducts elections in India from which of the following articles? So they are asking the article of ECI. What is the article of Election Commission of India in Indian Constitution? So it is in Article 324. So this is the correct answer. It is in the Article 324. So the Election Commission of India gets the power to conduct elections. From the article to conduct elections, they get the Election Commission of India get the power to conduct elections from Article 324, and it is in Part 15. It is in what? It is in Part 15 of the Constitution. It is in Part 15 of the Constitution, and there are Election Commission of India. There are 5 articles from Article 324 to Article 329. Okay, it deals with elections and establishes a commission for all these matters, for these election matters. So you have noticed that 2 questions have come from constitutional bodies or important constitutional commissions present in Indian Constitution, and they have asked about articles also. So you can check another bodies too, because these questions have appeared. Okay. So next question, again they have given match the following, and they have given name of some district, center for handicrafts. So these are the districts, and they are center of some handicraft. So they have given Mon district, Nalbari district, Pasighat district, Tura district. So everyone know Nalbari is in Assam. So B is 2. So over here you can check B is 2. So over this option 4, B is 2, and option 1, B is 2. So out of these 2, any one will be correct. Okay. So next check Pasighat. So everyone knows Pasighat is in Arunachal. So C is 1. So where C is 1, over here C is 1, over here C is 4. So directly we come to the conclusion that this is the correct answer. So Pasighat is in Arunachal Pradesh, Mon district is in Nagaland, and Tura is in Meghalaya. This is the question. Let's move to the next question now. So in which state Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary? So Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary, this wildlife sanctuary is always in news. So Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary is present over Assam. So you have to check wildlife sanctuaries, okay, of different states in India, okay, and important wildlife sanctuaries present over different states in India. So they have given question from wildlife sanctuaries, or next time it can be of national parks or biosphere reserves. So get prepared with all these things. So this is the last question. India's first 3D printed post office has been inaugurated in. So this is a question from 2003 current affairs again, and it is present over Bengaluru. So this is the end of the part. I hope you like these things, and for the PDF, please join our Telegram channel or our Facebook channel, where we update regular posts on competitive exams and also chapters from class 6, 7. So hope you liked the video, and if you liked the video, please give your valuable comments, like our channel, and please subscribe. So thank you. Have a nice day.